Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use sort by function with unique. So if you want to learn how to use sort by function with unique in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here I have created this table, product name and category. Okay, so without disturbing this table, you can use this sort by function to find out unique and also just arrange in ascending or descending order, means from A to Z or Z to A. So I want to just uh, apply this sort by function in this category column, and also I want to arrange it in A to Z and with unique items. So how to do it? You have to just click on the cell where you want to use this sort by function with unique, equals to sort by, then you have to type unique. Okay, then you have to choose this table, bracket close, comma, again you have to type unique, choose this table again, close, comma. Now you will ask for ascending or descending. Ascending means A to Z, descending means Z to A. So I want to arrange it A to Z, bracket close. So like this you can use this sort by function in Excel. If you like this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.